This is a quick video over the summary of linear equations. This is all of chapter 7 that we've talked about up to this point. You've got your slope-intercept form, standard form here in the middle, and then point-slope form on the right. The names are pretty straightforward about what you need in order to use the specific form of the equation. Here, slope-intercept form, slope given to you by the letter m here. It's always in front of the x. Whatever's being added on afterward, letter B here, is your y-intercept. They're always in the form of y equals, and then here the example is negative 2/3 x plus 5 over 3. One thing that you will notice about all three of these equations is they all are the same equation. They've just been written in a different form. Standard form is where you take the fractions out of the ball game. The constant is always off to the right. Notice here A and B are not both 0, so sometimes some of them are, which we talked about with vertical and horizontal lines. When you're graphing, if it's a y equals equation, it's horizontal. If it's an x equals a number, it's a vertical line. As you go through it, we talked about how to get rid of these 3's down here in class. You multiply by 3 all the way through, kind of a distributive property thing to take care of that. Finally, point-slope form, which is the last thing. Again, you need the point and you need a slope. Pretty straightforward again, x, y, y1 lie on the graph somewhere. M is your slope. You just plug it in. So again here, the point looks like would be 1, 1. Remembering that the subtraction sign in both parentheses here actually changes the sign. So this is actually positive 1 and positive 1. So x is 1, y is 1, and your slope is negative 2/3. That's just a quick summary of the different types of linear equations that we've talked about so far in chapter 7. This is Mr. Boyle, and I'm out.